No, okay, now I'm in focus. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. This was inspired by James Charles's neon skull makeup look, and I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Honestly, it definitely was not the easiest makeup look. It's very long and tedious and just a lot going on here, and I've never done a skull before at all. So I mean, I'm happy with it for the first time for a skull, but I definitely would like to improve it. There's just a few things that I would do differently, but I think overall it wasn't too hard, just very tedious. So let's just go ahead and get on it. Okay, so I already did all of my face makeup and my brows just to save some time. I'm gonna go ahead and use this BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. This has so many fun colors in it, and I think this pretty much has all the shades that I'm gonna need. First, I'm going to use this light teal color right here and just pop that into the crease. I'm not gonna take it quite as high as I normally do for a transition shade. Now I'm going to take this dark blue shade right down here and start to darken everything up a little bit. I think what I want to do, so this doesn't start to get too crazy down here with fallout and everything, is I want to just touch up that line with my beauty blender and then put a little bit of setting powder there just to keep anything from falling out onto my face. I'm just going to use a little bit of this Rimmel setting powder and just tap my beauty blender right into there. Stamping that underneath, and that's going to help define that line a lot better when I'm doing my eyeshadow. So these blues are already super bright and getting a little more out of control than I would like. Now I'm going to go into this darker shade of blue right here and start to get even darker blue up in here. Now I'm just going to dip into this black shade down here at the bottom. And wow, I got way too much. Why did I go in so heavy? Oh my gosh. Just need to tap a little of that off, and I'm just gonna tab it on either side. Now I'm just going to go back in with that last brush that I did for the blue in the crease and just kind of buff that out, make sure that everything is nice and blended. Now to cut my crease, I'm going to actually use this face paint kit. Got this brush here, it's a little bit stiffer of a brush. Okay, and my crease is cut. To set that, I'm just going to use this white shade right over here in the palette. Then on top of that, I'm just going to use this Essence All About Candies palette and just use this shimmery pastel blue shade. Here we go. Right down here. So now I'm just gonna go in with the same shades that I used in my crease on the top to start buffing out my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my white liner and start sketching out my teeth and parts of the skull. This white liner is so bad. I might have to switch to a white liquid liner I think that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully this doesn't screw anything up. Now I'm just gonna start to sketch in my nose. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this palette, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and just go into this light turquoise color right over here and just go over all of those lines. So now I'm just going over all of those lines with now this darker blue shade. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the black shade, and this have to be very careful and start filling in all of the empty space. I'm gonna start out with this fluffier, bigger brush here and not get too close. Now I'm just going to take this more defined brush and start getting in all these areas where I couldn't get in with the blending brush. So now I have all of the black filled in. I'm just gonna go back in with that blue brush that we went over the white with and just try to connect the lines so that you don't see any skip. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, I feel like it turned out pretty good. Not exactly how I wanted it, but still pretty cool. I think there's a few things I would do differently next time. I would probably bring my nose down a little more. And then also the liner that I got to trace everything out in the beginning was not working, so I had to use the NYX white liquid liner when I started. So I would prefer if I had just a regular pencil to do that, so I think I have to find something that's gonna work better if I do this again. Yeah, all the colors and the Brazil palette, like those all worked out really well. I think I probably wouldn't make the eyes quite as dramatic and drag looking, but you know, for this it's okay that they're like a little over the top. So let me know what you would like to see and if you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.